Krishna Chaitanya Goya Toro More Daya
तो अब यहाँ से उठाओ चीजें।
हरे 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 राम हरे राम हरे राम।
Bob? यहाँ से ये चीजें उठा लो। ले जाओ यहाँ से इसको। नहीं, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए।
Там больше 100 человек в сумме обычно бывает.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya
Narayanam namaskritya
Naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswatim vyasam Tato jayamudiraye Nashtaprayeshva bhadreshu Nityam bhagavata sevaya Bhagavati uttama shloke Bhaktir bhavati naistiki. Yes, which was problem?
Yesterday I was not there. You can ask the people online.
Hare Krishna. Anybody can tell which verse?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, 4.21.51. Hare Krishna, Dhanva Pranam. 4:21:51, verse 51.
Online people, our Prabhuji is proceeding to Bangalore. So just he has come for the darshan. You can also, last 2 days Prabhuji has given us wonderful class. So Prabhuji, if you can say goodbye to all online people, you are on the frame now. So Prabhuji is traveling. If you people can loudly chant Hare Krishna and just
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare.
Adhyanastamasah paras Adhyanastamasah paras Tayopasaditah Prabhu Tayopasaditah Prabhu Dramyatam nashtadrishtinam Dramyatam nashtadrishtinam Karmabhir daiva samnitaih Karmabhir daiva samnitaih Adhyanastamasah paras Tvayopasaditah Prabho Brahmyatam nashtadrishtinam Karma birdaiva samnitai Adhyanastamasah paras Tvayopasaditah Prabho Brahmyatam nashtadrishtinam Karma birdaiva samnitai Yopasaditah Prabho Ramyatam nastadrishtinam Karma virdaiva samnitai Adhyanastamasah paras Yopasaditah Prabho Brahmyatam nastadrishtinam Karma virdaiva samnitai
Adhyanastamasah paras
Adhyanastamasah paras
Tvayopasaditah Prabho
Tvayopasaditah Prabho Ramyatam nastadrishtinam
Karma vidaiva samhite
Karma virdaiva samnitai. Anybody online likes to chant?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dhamma Pranam. Adhyana satam saparas Tvayopasidata Prabho Brahmyatam nashta drishtinam Karma bhirdeva samyitahi.
Okay. What translation?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Adhyanastamasah paras Tvayopasadita Prabho Brahmyatam nashtadrishtinam Karma birdhaiva samnite. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Adhyanastamasah paras Tvayopasaditah Prabhu Ramyatam nashtadrishtinam karma daiva samanjitai. Hare Krishna.
Okay, thank you. Translation. What translation? Adya. Today. Naha. Of us. Tamasaha. Of the darkness of material existence. Paraha. The other side. Tvaya. By you. Upasaditaha. Increase it. Prabhu. O Lord. Brahmyatam. Who are wandering. Nashtadrishtinam. Who have lost the goal of life. Karmabhih. On account of past deeds. Daiva samnitaih. Arranged by superior authority.
Arranged by the superior authority.
The translation purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The citizens continued, today you have opened our eyes and revealed how to cross to the other side of the ocean of darkness. By our past deeds and by the arrangement of superior authority, we are entangled in a network of fruitive activities and have lost sight of the destination of life. Thus we have been wandering within the universe. This kindly repeat. The citizens continued.
The citizen continued.
Today you have opened
Today you have opened
our eyes
our eyes
and revealed
and revealed
how to cross
how to cross
to the other side of the ocean of darkness.
to the other side of the ocean of darkness
By our past deeds
by our past deeds
and by the arrangement of superior authority.
and by the arrangement of superior authority.
We are entangled
We are entangled
in a network
in the network
of fruitive activities
of fruitive activities
and have lost sight
and have lost the sight
of the destination of life.
of the destination of life.
Thus we have been
Thus we have been
wandering
wandering
within the universe.
within the universe.
Mataji, so Preeti, please, can you read purport?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki Jai. In this verse, the words Karma Bhai Daiva Sabudh Hai are very significant. Due to the quality of our actions, we come to the association of the modes of material nature, and by superior arrangement, we are given a chance to enjoy the fruitive results of such activities in different types of bodies. In this way, having lost sight of their destination in life, all living entities are wandering in different species throughout the universe, sometimes getting birth in a lower species and sometimes existence in higher planetary systems. Thus, we are all wandering since time immemorial. It is by the grace of the spiritual master and the Supreme Personality of Godhead that we get the clue of devotional life, and thus progressive success in our life begins. Here, this is admitted by the citizens of King Prithu. In full consciousness, they admit the benefit they have derived from the activities of Maharaja Prithu. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Sadakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Statitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Svapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitam Cha Shri Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sakhagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Ramade Vrindavanishwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Namo Namo Sesadoshalura Purna Gunatmane Virincha Sarva Purvedya Vandyaya Sri Varayate Aha Adhyanastamasah Parastvayopasaditah Prabhu Brahmyatam Nashtadrishtinam Karmabhih Daiva Samnitaiha. The citizens continued, today you have opened our eyes and revealed how to cross to the other side of the ocean of darkness by our past deeds and by the arrangement of superior authority. We are entangled in a network of fruitful activities and have lost sight of the destination of life. Thus, we have been wandering within the universe. So here, the citizens of a kingdom spoke very nicely about basic situation, which actually can be perceived even in our lives, in lives of bewildered souls. Srila Prabhupada stated in purport, significant. There are particular, always some significant words. And there are in teaching of Vedanta, there are some terminology by which these words will be named. We call it Linga Atmaka Shabda. Very significant, very important, with deep sense. It says, Karma Bhih Daiva Samnitai. By an account of past deeds, karma bhih, by karma, by different entanglement, and the other word, Daiva Samnitai, it is, give some more understanding about how karma works. Sometimes normally we think that we are controllers. We are doing our activity, we are doing karma, we are managing things, we are ruling. So, in this way, we are under spell of false ego, ahankara, ahankaromi. I am doing, so I am acting, I am creating, I am building and establishing or doing different achievements. But here it is a clarification we can see. Daiva, there are superior authority. Daiva means all universe, which is not blindly working. It is powered by will of the Supreme Lord, ultimately. Daiva, this word Daiva derived from Deva. And who is Deva? How we can translate this significant word? Anybody know? What means Deva in Sanskrit? Huh? God. Divine. Yeah, something divine. Deva is applied to gods, to the Supreme Lord as well as to his servants, demigods. They all together work to maintain this universe and to manifest this. Everything working is very perfectly. very ideal creation. Even though it is temporary, but being in this world, we are totally forgotten. It is temporary. We think it is permanent situation. Day after day, it is running this life, our body, and somewhat it is stable. We are managing, we are trying to achieve some goals, desired goals in this. Especially like passionate people, like Kshatriyas, they will say, we are managing. Rulers, they say, I down this. Like, for example, they may sometimes create something, even to build temple or construct something huge, like, or some huge building, like high skyscraper. Then one will say, I built this high skyscraper. But he didn't, he only gave, he made arrangement, he paid the amount. But so many people work in that. So many workers, engineers. It is a very big work. But he will claim, I down this. See how nice it is. So that much false ego. Because they kind of supervisors in some level. But Srila Prabhupada did a joke. Sometimes this rich people, they do such things and they've been very attached for their creation. And they become degraded. And next life, in the same building or somewhere around, he may take birth due to attachment, but already not as a owner, as a cat, dog, or even sometimes cockroach in the same building. But still, he'll be attached to that. But his position will be very much changed because after departing from this world, we are not in touch anymore. We lose everything. The property is not transferable, and wealth is not transferable. Transferable only, in the main sense, transferred our spiritual achievement, our devotion, that we can take with us. And some good deeds, punya, if we want, we can take it with us. If we do not want, then we can leave it for the benefit of our surrounding relatives. Like some great saints, they do not want even punya, because they go to spiritual world. There is no need any material punya, good karma, which will provide nice living in material world. So they neglect it. They will give away. Everybody who wants to the friends, they will give their punya. And the important thing, if suppose if they down some papa, they have power to give away that also to enemies. If some people become like enemy of devotees, then they will go papa. Simple reduction. That kind of arrangement. Karma can be distributed. Saints, they are not holding it. So, till we are in this body, we may use some of our punya and try to use it in a good way. because otherwise, there are some greedy, miserly people. They will accumulate so much wealth, and they will think, "Oh, I will keep it for my enjoyment." Or sometimes I will do something, like. Sometimes we go for preaching and asking some wealthy people, please can you help us? And some really help, but sometimes they will simply speak, okay, I think I should do something big. I really want to do, but only telling, never do actually. Many people like that. And who knows, after a short time they may lose this facility of doing. If they disassociate with this body, then they will not have chance. Now chance is there of doing something, dedicate to Krishna, some nice donation, construct, like we have Bhagavad Gita College. Now there is chance, and it will be for a short time only available. After 1 or 2 years, that will be ready. So we cannot do any more. But once we invest in this, that will work permanently for us. Like every student of Bhagavad Gita who will be studying in that college, from that we'll get some credit for our benefit, and how much it is auspicious. Like if we donate simply for this thing, for annadana, it is said it is good. Better if we donate gold, give for food. But people will eat only once. They will say, oh, I ate so nicely. Oh, prasada, my God. That's all. But if we do something like constructing temple or such a pathashala, in Kannada, school is called shala, also like in Sanskrit. And then in that place, always studying will go. Great devotees, learned scholars, they will discuss about devotional service, and there will be so much glorification. It will, for our understanding, it will go always permanent. How long may go on, and how much benefit will go to those people who will dedicate something for that, even one brick for that college. How much great benefit it will be. It will permanently work. Our best investment. And no any daiva can take away from us these credits. If we dedicate it for something else, or either keep for us, after some time we will pass away, and the family members will take it and they will use it simply for living, for own karma. Also other people may take it. It is said that this wealth in the material world is unstable. It's like Chanakya Pandit, famous in his statements. And he said that wealth is very good to have some wealth, because even if sometimes difficult time will come, apadakala, if you have wealth, then easy to survive, because you have means, so you kind of safe with that. So it is said that it is always auspicious to be wealthy, to be prosperous. That is for protection, for maintenance of our body. It is intelligent to have it also. Even though some people go still to higher level, they may not care even for wealth, like renounced people, vanaprastha, sannyasi, even brahmachari, they're not thinking at all, and they simply dependent on Krishna's grace. That is a higher level. But for family people, it is very important, because to create a happy situation and to serve other people around, to maintain nicely our family members, even the future generations, they will be thankful for us if we do something good. And if we also teach them, show them example of devotion and dedication and service, like for Krishna. We in Mangalore even we can see that, like in Skudupu Jagannath temple, there was one very nice devotee, Govinda Prabhu, and he was so much dedicated. We've been friends, actually, great devotee, and he was very wealthy, and he done so much for preaching. Instead of simply like enjoying his wealth, he was always interested into giving lectures, help it for the temple, for different projects of Krishna consciousness. And as well, he kept sufficient wealth for family members. So they're very happy. They're satisfied because they got a nice maintenance. And also, they learned from him about Krishna consciousness, how good it is. Because, yeah, his departure was auspicious as a devotee. They understood that he created not only mundane wealth, but also spiritual wealth. And so they follow examples. They continue serving in the same temple, participating in preaching Krishna consciousness. And this is a very good tradition. If family, from one generation to other generation, members, they will be inclined for devotion and preserve this Krishna consciousness. In this way, if we become devotees, we become nice devotees, and this benefit will be our descendants, they will appreciate it much, and they will be inspired to continue in the same way. And so we may proceed nicely, achieve Krishna consciousness, achieve world of eternality, enter into abode of Krishna, and also we may inspire the descendants to do the same. So, therefore, we should be intelligent enough how to engage our all means, whatever Krishna gave us for our karma, means instruments in what is in our hands. Karmendriya, hands, legs, with which we are creating intelligence. This should be engaged in a very proper spiritual activity. It should be spiritualized. And in this way, Srila Prabhupada says, Grihastha can be equal to sannyasi if he dedicates everything to Krishna, if he always live with devotion, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then that practically the home of such personality will be like a temple, like Vaikuntha can become. So we should try for this, be inspired. Otherwise, what is other possibility? It is said here, Vramyatam nashta drishtinam. In material world, living entities roaming around, wandering around, Brahma, Brahmyatam, Brahmat. So they are passing through samsara, which have so many species of life. And sometimes go to heavenly planets, sometimes live in a human body, sometimes become degraded and fall into animal species of life. So, like Krishna mentioned Bhagavatam, mantra rudhani mayaya. This material world is like a yantra, like a machine which is working very systematically. And if we are bound by karma, we are not able to come out of it. We are bound, we are like suppose a big machine, like now we have like airplane. If those passengers who boarded to airplane when flight starts, then they cannot come out of it. Suppose if any dangerous situation happen, all will suffer together. So that time you cannot change your mind. I will discontinue my flight. Already you are in airplane. Already it is flying in great speed in the sky. So suppose if some disturbance and got go to crash or something, then we cannot do anything. But Nashta Drishtinam, it is say that by these roads that above all that we have lost the goal of life, Drishti. Drishti means vision also. Like famous example, blind guide. If we are following blind guide, then it is very dangerous situation because he does not see where to go, and he may fall down. And everybody who follows him, they will fall also together and suffer. Therefore, very important to have spiritual vision, and that we can acquire by associating with devotees and by reading instructions, by reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So for that purpose, it is very auspicious. In ancient time, people not had any television, no any mobile, smartphone. no internet, no radio. We may think, oh, their existence was so much poor. They not had any means, so less facility for getting information. But they did very good thing. Every time they will read and hear Bhagavatam personally. That is more advantage for those who can come directly and hear, because attention will be naturally more. Those of course, it is a good facility. Everybody cannot come, and we have now like 84 participants outside. But reality that not everybody may hear with full dedication, because while hearing, they may have to do somehow homework, be in kitchen or doing this and that. So concentration will be less in this way. Maybe some great hearers are really 100% can assimilate all message even in this condition. So if we hearing constantly message of Krishna consciousness, then that will influence, that will have very positive effect on our mind and intelligence. Because mind is sticking information, every information what we put in our mind, that will create in it some effect. Some effect will be there. Like mundane news, it is like a garbage. Often it does not have any value. Some political issues, some stories about leaders or film actors, sports, and all that not have any value actually. Even though people in passion and ignorance, they'll be so much interested about what has happened, what is doing, what a news, read, but no substance there. It is simply some rubbish, like example is given, like a crow. It is not very sattvic bird, dark, and where some garbage, then that will go there and search if any food, and dirty places they will stay, very tamasic. But comparing to that, there are swans, and they can see difference. They're beautiful, white, most of the time they are white, and they will live in nice lakes. There are lotuses, and so it is prescribed that we should become like swans by associating with devotees, because devotees, they will have specific presence of the Supreme Lord within their heart. The Lord maintaining ourselves always. Like Paramatma, sometimes it is called, name it by one specific name in Sanskrit, Hamsa. Same word, like a swan, Hamsa. And it is said that Prana Devata, who maintain in our body, the Lord of Prana, while maintaining our lives, he always chanting mantra, this holy name, Hamsa, Hamsa, Hamsa. And that can be heard in our breathing. When we exhale, we so really silently he will recite that holy name. And in this way, he chants that with great devotion, with great love, and that attracts Paramatma to sustain our body. So in this way we can understand power of mantra, that even if we are totally ignorant, but if we are living, we are breathing, and that maintain it nothing but by chanting of mantra, by holy name of the Lord. That is the secret, actually revealed by famous saint Vadiraja Tirtha. He told that mantra, even if we are totally ignorant, but some mantra is always, it is not chanted by us, but we are getting benefit. We are living, and therefore, till that benefit is there, somebody chants for us. We are getting life, we are getting time to do good things. We have so many, all breath, inhales and exhales counted. We have limited, like according to karma, some particular numbers of inhales and exhales we can do. And till that, we should try to do the best, to act spiritually, to do activity for our upliftment, for developing Krishna consciousness. Otherwise, if that will be finished, then simply we will be bewildered, we will be in ignorance, and next punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi matari, jatare shayanam. Again birth, again death, and again we have to enter into womb of mother to take next body and struggle in material world. So Shankaracharya condemned this situation. Great renunciates, they condemn this. For sannyasi, there are alternative names. Like normally we tell sannyasi, some people say nyasi, dedicated for some spiritual higher purpose. But in Sanskrit there are one interesting word, karmandi. Sannyasi also called karmandi. And means blind. So sannyasi, they are so, by their spirituality, they make karma blind. Karma cannot do anything with them because they already renounce that they live for spiritual. They live like in spiritual world. So karma not have power for them. So, and if we associate with such great dedicated souls, like our spiritual masters, followers of Srila Prabhupada, so we can also escape from clutches of Maya and uplift ourselves. Tamasah para, it is said here, above ignorance. Tamasa, it is translated like above, we may go above darkness of material existence. Then that will be real benefit. Most important what we have to do in this life. There are maybe intermediately so many goals, so many things, this and that. Our intelligence is scattered around, running after these different achievements, desired things. But we should always remember about highest, most important achievement. That we should, our benefit will benefit ourselves only if we attain to Krishna. If we become Krishna consciousness, then that will be real achievement. That will be victory in the life. And without that, whatever great things we do, that will ultimately will be waste, it will be forgotten. If some people depart and whatever great they are, after some time nobody remembers. That all going to rain. So let us chant nicely Hare Krishna and serve together, then results will be really great. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If any comments or questions on this discussion, please raise a hand or switch on This is what Karmandi in one beautiful prayer. Karmandishwar Bhakti Bandhana Vasha Pritostina Krishna Prabhu. Like prayer glorifying Krishna in Udupi. Krishna Prabhu. May that Krishna be pleased with us. And there is special presence of Krishna in nice temples because Karmandishvara Bhakti Bandhana, great sannyasis, renunciates, they will with love serve, and then Krishna bound by that. He bound to that place, and he always stays to receive worship of devotees in temples. So that's why temple important, even though every house can be made into temple. But if that is a specifically important temple, then it is said that Vishishta Sannidhana is there. Special presence of the Lord. And so such temple will be beneficial for many people, and we can, after going there, we can immediately feel very beautiful, very inspiring atmosphere. So if there is no any question, then we can end our discussion. Mataji Neeraja.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, we being grihasthas, it's very difficult to balance between the spiritual life and the grihastha life. Though we do our sadhana daily without fail, like rising early in the morning, attending Marathi and chanting everything, sometimes our mood goes so bad, we get so much depressed, Prabhuji. Why that happens? Because is it because like any of our family members may not cooperate with us? They may say anything, or they may not follow like us. Is it because of that? Or sometimes when we go out, we need to have something outside. We may eat anything outside. Will that influence on our mood and attitudes, Prabhuji? Could you please guide? How should we go further, keeping all this in mind?
Yes, naturally, because Maya is very strong, and it makes us to struggle while ascending in our path of spirituality. We may have so many faults. We may fall down due to different reasons, due to karma, due to influences from outside, due to bad association, what you say, that sometimes family members not cooperate, sometimes we may be contaminated by this or that. So basically means like it is said in Shikshashtaka, Cheta Darpana Marjanam. If we achieve to the stage of Nishtha, purified consciousness, then we become much stable, and those things will not affect us. Like Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita about this, Padma Patram Ivam Basa. Like a leaf of lotus flower is not moisturized, even though it is inside the water. So in this way, if we become advanced in Krishna consciousness, then we will not be affected. Or our body may be affected, our mind may be somewhat affected by external situation. But if a good devotee always keep Krishna within his heart, and in this way he is not agitated. They said, Guru napi vichalyate. Even very heavy situation, even very heavy influences from outside will not disturb Krishna consciousness. But for that we need to carefully cleanse our heart, be patient. It will not happen like immediately, instantly, because sadhana to fulfill this achievement, we need to practice sadhana for a long time, and we have to be prepared for that. Not like think I'm just, okay, I will exert myself really within these 2 weeks or within 1 month, I will really should achieve. Of course, we exhort every moment, every time of chanting we should be dedicated. But maturity, it takes time. Like if we want to enjoy nice manga fruits, but now it is not a season. We can find already, it is there available, but it is very small and very sour, not mature. So even if we cook it, if we do anything, it will not become like ripened mango. For that exact process we have to wait. It should grow till correct size, then it will become ripened. Then only full effect we can have. But before that we should have tolerance. Sometimes I heard one joke about Chinese. Say, Chinese people, they are sometimes they are very poor, and they planted potatoes. So some traveler go across and see a Chinese, they planted potatoes. Then after a few days he travel again, see already they digging and collecting. And they say, just how you do? Just recently you planted only. But this poor people, they say, sir, we are very hungry. So we cannot wait, we want to eat now something. So that will not work like this, that plant should go up and that fruits, vegetable will grow, then only we'll get the results. And in developing this Bhakti Kripa, this in devotional progress also, same thing, tolerance is required. Be endeavor and be prepared to do it as much as required, lifetime. Then results will come. So I hope explaining.
Yes, Prabhuji. We need lot of patience and perseverance for all such things, Prabhuji. But sometimes we lose it because of some external reasons, Prabhuji. That's very difficult. Yeah, we are trying our best to not divert our minds and follow this, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Madhumati, Vilasini, Devidasi.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandvat Pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, I wanted to convey my sincere gratitude, Prabhuji, to you. Like with this class, like we are hearing very nice lectures, Prabhuji. But same time, I am just learning qualities like patience and how calm you are, Prabhuji, and how like slowly you are conveying everything. Like every word you use, I feel like how preciously you are using your words. Like it like coins or like money. I can say like that. So it's like very striking, Prabhuji. Very nice lecture and nicely you are conveying, Prabhuji. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. And thank you for this chance. Because I'm mostly, since many years, I mostly reached in Russia, so I'm fluency in Russian language. So in English, it is, I'm not able to do so ideally, but you're very kind and you've given me chance still, and here temple authorities. So somehow, maybe slowly I'm improving. Thank you very much for very inspiring words. Okay, let's chant Hare Krishna mantra and take a darshan of the Lord, and we'll end this Bhagavatam session.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dandava Pranam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा